Hello friends. Hello. Today we shall discuss exercise 3.2 question number 1. What is the sum of any two A odd numbers, B even numbers? Let us take two odd numbers. Let us take two odd numbers. Suppose 1 and another is 3. If we add the numbers, we are getting 1 plus 3. We are getting 4, which is a even number. You see, this is a even number, right? That means if we add two odd numbers, we will get even numbers. The sum of any two odd numbers will be always a even number. Take another example. Suppose I am taking 5 and another odd number, that is 7. If we add the numbers 5 plus 7, 5 plus 7 is equal to 12, and that is also a even number, right? That means we can say the sum of any two odd numbers is an even number. The sum of any two odd numbers is an even number. Even number, right? Now question number B. What is the sum of any two even numbers? Let us take example. Suppose 2 and 4. If we add 2 plus 4, we are getting 6, which is an even number. If we take another example, suppose 8 plus 6. We add the numbers 8 plus 6 is equal to 14, which is also we are getting an even number. Even number. Therefore, we can say that the sum of any two even numbers is an even number. Therefore, we can say the sum of any two even numbers is an even number. Even number. Right? That means again we are repeating, that is, what is the sum of any two odd numbers? If we take two odd numbers, that is 1 and 3, we are getting 1 plus 3, that is 4, an even number. And if we take 5 and 7, we are getting 5 plus 7, that is 12, which is also an even number. Therefore, we can say the sum of any two odd numbers is an even number. What is the sum of any two even numbers? If we take two even numbers, that is 2 and 4, if we add 2 plus 4, we are getting 6, which is an even number. If we take another example, 8 and 6, 8 plus 6 is 14, that is also even number. Therefore, we can say that the sum of any two even numbers is an even number. This is the solution of question number A.